back to our kitchen on our farm. I'm so glad that I got to meet you yesterday. I'm Farmer Renee, and these are my two little farmers, Farmer Nora and Farmer Landon. We are dairy farmers. We're so glad that you've joined us over the past couple weeks and this week too to meet us in our kitchen. We love making dairy foods. We just love how good they make us feel and how they taste dairy delicious.
Today we're gonna make pizza.
Today we're gonna make some pizzas. But before we get started, Nora loves jokes. So Nora, could you tell us a joke to get us started?
What do you get when a cow crosses a smurf?
What do you get when you cross a cow with a smurf? I don't know.
Blue cheese.
Blue cheese? Oh my goodness, that's so funny. Nora, that was a good joke. I really liked that one. I hope that you all enjoyed that too. Hopefully, you learned a new joke that you can share with your family tonight at your dinner table. Or maybe you could call a friend and tell them that joke as well. Now it's time to get to work. Before we started, what did we do?
We washed our hands.
We washed our hands, right? Washing our hands is so important. So we always make sure before we get started in the kitchen that we wash our hands. We also never do this without our parents, right? We make sure that we let them know that what we want to do in the kitchen before we get started. So we are gonna make some personal pizzas today. Pizza is fun because you get to do whatever you want with it. You can add whatever you have at home. Landon, what do you like on your pizza? Sauce and cheese?
Yeah.
How much do you love pizza? Can you show me how much you love pizza? How much? All the way up there. Nora, how much do you love pizza? Oh, you love pizza too, right? Today we are going to make different pizzas that fit each one of us. So the great thing about pizza and these individual pizzas is that you can make them with whatever you have at home.
You can make them
With a pizza crust, you could make them with a flatbread. These are a mini flatbread that we got at the store. Or you could even use an English muffin. You could use a bagel, you could use a hamburger bun, you could even use a piece of bread. And we're just gonna put on our sauce first. Now, do you know what my favorite topping is? Extra cheese. The more cheese, the better, is what I think. You want some Parmesan cheese? We have some Parmesan cheese here. I'm gonna make one of mine with white sauce, mozzarella, and chicken. And I'm gonna put some basil on top of that. The other one I'm going to make with pepperoni and peppers. Landon likes just plain pizza, just with cheese. And he's gonna add some more cheese right now. While Nora, she likes a white sauce instead of a traditional tomato sauce. Okay, we're gonna put these in the oven, and we already had made up some pizzas so we could show you. So we have our pizzas finished. So we have Landon's cheese pizza, we have Nora's with Alfredo sauce, and we have the two that I made up with the English muffins. We hope that you've enjoyed joining us in the kitchen. We love dairy, so we are so happy that we get to share it with you. We hope that you tune in tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a very special day.